Yeah. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss the topic. So, university student use AI instead of traditional search engines for learning, and we will use the SIG thinking heads method to evaluate this topic from different perspective, and each head represent a different way of thinking that will help us examine the issue objectively and reach a balanced conclusion. All right, let's begin with the white hat, and please focus only on text and information. Avoid opinion and personal feeling. And what do we know about AI and traditional search engine in the context of university learning? Yaki.
Okay, as a college student, I have seen my college friends use AI as a cheat sheet, for college assignments, when they don't have enough time to work on it personally. Maybe because family, job, so.
In my place, AI helps students learn more quickly by providing instant explanation and answer. However, traditional search engines are still important because they allow students to access reliable, verifiable, and diverse of information.
In my college, many students use AI for tasks such as summarizing article, explaining concept, generating idea, and assisting with assignment.
I think we can see that many students now use AI tools to help them learn, such as finding explanations, summarizing materials, or understanding difficult topics. However, search engines are still useful because they help students explore more sources and find original information.
Okay, thank you for sharing this. And now let's move to the red cat. Please share your feeling and personal reaction regarding the use of AI for learning. Okay, Jackie.
I personally, I fear that college students, have become overly reliant on AI for college work, which is a shame, to be honest. That they misuse AI for from simple assignments like writing an essay to more critical assignments like writing a scientific paper.
I feel that AI makes studying easier and less stressful because it can explain difficult topics in a simple way. At the same time, I'm sometimes uncertain about its accuracy, so I do not fully trust every answer it provides.
As a student, I feel AI makes studying less stressful because it provides quick answer when I need help, and it also gives me support in understanding difficult topic more easily.
I agree with some of the ideas shared, and I would like to add my thoughts that AI make learning more comfortable because students can ask questions freely and get explanations based on their needs. And for some students, learning with AI feels less stressful because they can take their time to understand a topic before discussing it with others.
Okay, thank you for identifying the challenge. And now let's switch to the yellow head, and please focus on the benefits and opportunities that AI provides for students.
As a student, like college student, I can see that using AI saves time for students like me, like us, so they can focus on other important college activities, making the students more productive. But not only that, uh, AI could guide students on complex topics like from the as I said as Farah said at the Whitehead session, improving students' understanding if used right.
AI can greatly improve the learning experience by offering quick explanation, personalized support, and immediate feedback. It also saves time and helps students understand complex concepts more efficiently.
And I also believe AI can become a helpful learning partner because it can adapt to each student's needs. It can help students understand difficult topics, find explanation faster, and support their learning process in more flexible way.
I think AI can improve productivity by providing fast and easy to understand explanation for academic tasks. It also creates opportunity for students to learn more efficiently and complete their work in less time.
Okay, good insights, guys. And let's move to the black hat and focus on the risk, weakness, and potential negative consequence of using AI for learning.
I understand the benefits of AI, but I think we also need to consider that AI doesn't always understand the context of every question. So students still need critical thinking before accepting the answer. And this is one challenge in using AI for education.
Yes, I'm with Farah on this one. Over reliance on AI could potentially reduce students' critical and understanding skills. If the premature usage of AI keeps going, it can cut short their abilities for their future.
Depending too much on AI may weaken student critical thinking and research abilities. In addition, AI can sometimes generate inaccurate or misleading information, which may negatively affect learning if students do not verify the content.
And I think students might become to depend on AI when completing their academic tasks and solving problems. And this could weaken their critical thinking skill and reduce their ability to verify information independently, especially if they rely on AI without checking reliable source.
Okay, good, excellent discussion, guys. And now let's move to the last head, is the green head. Please think creatively and suggest ideas or solution that could help students use AI more effectively. Jackie, you can first.
Personally, I suggest students need to learn about ethical AI usage in college settings, or the course themselves should teach the students. Isn't it college learning teach themselves?
A balanced approach could be nice for students to use both AI and traditional search engine together. AI can be used to simplify concept and provide guidance, while search engine can help verify information and access credible source for deeper research.
Instead of replacing search engine, I think university could integrate AI with search engine to create a smarter learning environment. And this combination with would help student access reliable source will also benefiting from AI fast and personalized assistant.
I think that is an interesting point, and I also think universities could teach critical thinking skills.
Okay, okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's review the what we have learned from its perspective. And for in the white hat, we found that AI is already widely used by UMC's student for research, writing assistant and idea generation. And in Red Hat, you guys express positive feelings about AI because it makes learning easier and more convenient. And however, some participants also felt concerned about becoming overly dependent on it. And in Yellow Hat, we identified benefits including improved efficiency, personalized support, faster access to information, and increased productivity. And in Black Hat, we also identified risks such as over-reliance on AI, reduce critical thinking, weaker research abilities, and possibility of inaccurate information. In the Green Hat, we address this concern, suggest teaching ethical AI usage and combining AI with traditional search engine and providing AI literacy training in university. And based on our discussion, we believe that the idea of replacing traditional search engine entirely with AI is not the best approach. And while AI offers many advantages, and it also presents significant risk when used as the sole source information. Therefore, our evaluation is that AI should complement traditional search engine rather than replace them. Okay, and the final recommendation, we agree recommended university student use AI as a learning assistant while continuing to use a traditional search engine for research, verification, and accessing reliable source. And we also agree by combining both tools, student can benefit from the efficiency of AI while maintaining strong critical thinking and research skill. And okay, that's it. Thank you for participating in today's discussion, guys. Good morning.
You're welcome.